Hey everyone. So it looks like we're doing another breakout here. I was just kind of watching it, but then I saw over 250 Bitcoin just evaporate. And it was just it was the craziest thing. Like I saw this wall and I thought, oh my God, there's someone really does not want the price to go up. And it was gone. And I don't know if somebody took the 250 plus off the market and then just kind of let it run. But if the market absorbed that, I mean, that was some buying pressure I have never seen before. So I just kind of thought that was cool. Here we are at 35, going up to 35 300. So that's pretty exciting. I mean, we're at all-time highs now already. Again, like it's almost like every second we reach an all-time high. But I kind of wanted to also talk about these price swings. So if you kind of look just at the regular, this is a 6 hour chart. Let's go to the 1 day chart. If you look, I mean, here and then this explosion here, I mean, there wasn't really any pullback, and then we kind of started to go even more vertical. But this, you see, we had one red day. We had one big red candle. And most of that trading, as you can see, took place at the top of that candle. So that means that it's a very bullish sign. Even though it's a red candle and it dipped down to 27,500, that's a very bullish sign for Bitcoin to keep moving on up. So, and the way I look at it is, even if we were back down to 27,500, we would have only lost like a week to go back to where we were. And so when people start freaking out about, oh, we just had a 10-15% dip or something like that, like we lost like a week of time and that was nothing. And, all in all, like we didn't lose any time because it just went right back up and we're back up to all new time highs. So 35, 500. And each $1,000 just gets smaller and smaller as a percentage of the overall price per Bitcoin. So when we move up by $1,000, that's really only like a 1% move, 1 to 3% move now. So when you see $1,000, like you got to start thinking to yourself, like that wasn't that big of a move anymore. Like it's only 3%. We're not seeing these. I mean, right now we're going up pretty high. But I mean, even still, let's take a look. If we go to the 5 minute chart, so what we've been going up for a half an hour, and it's God, we really are going up 35.7. So we're probably gonna hit 36,000 here in about in a few minutes, if not here seconds. So kind of exciting to hear. I hope all of y'all are enjoying this right now. There is some FOMO going on, fear of missing out. I don't know if it's institutions or if it's just millions of people across the world on Coinbase that are putting in fractions of Bitcoin buys or something like that. But I expect if we do even see 36,000, that it'll probably shoot back down here pretty quick. So we're about $100-$200 away, so fractions of a percent. So when it goes down to, it could go down to 35,500, but I'm trying to keep you guys on here to see if it'll actually go to 36. That would be pretty cool. But, like I was saying, when we have giant pullbacks, they're not as big as they used to be. I don't think we're going to see a 20% pullback in the next bull market in the next year. I just don't think that's going to happen. Like we'll probably see a few 10 to 15, but I don't think we're going to reach a 20% pullback. So you saw a bid flash up there, pretty big bid. It was like 10 Bitcoin-ish. So not a whole lot on the ask. So even if we scroll up here, looks like there's 12 at 35.8. So we may not be moving up right now too much, too fast. But it is pretty exciting. So again, all new time highs. So I hope y'all are enjoying it. If you could, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.